word itself tells you कि ये search engine which can be Google. Search engine is any platform where you are basically searching. So Google हो गया, Yahoo हो गया, Bing हो गया. So these are the search engines, right? So now SEO, search engine optimization. So the word only tells you that it's a optimization of something on the search engine, right? Now what do we search on? What do we see on the search engine? Websites. So it's basically an optimization of our website on search engine. Basic SEO. Why do we do it? See, in today's digital time, nobody actually, and coming to us, our generation, हमसे पिछली generation जो थी, they believed in going to markets and exploring. Still do that. Lot of people still do that. And then if you had certain issues at home, you would call the person you already know. But in today's time, everything is available on the internet, right? You want plumber, you want doctor, you want electrician, you want painting guy, you want carpenter, you want anybody to that matter. Everybody is available on internet. So that is the reason doing an SEO is very, very important. It's very important that people see you on internet, because if I have to find for a general physician near me, for example, I would generally go and type in general physician near me, or in my area. If I live in Mohali, general physician in Mohali. So it's very important that you rank on the top page so that you are visible. And what will happen once you are visible? So search engine में एक page नहीं है, by the way. Some queries, what are queries or keywords are basically whatever you're searching for. For example, if I need general physician, so general physician becomes my keyword. General physician in Mohali becomes my keyword. So एक query के लिए कभी 10 pages आएंगे, एक page पे 10 results होते हैं, 10 pages आएंगे, कभी 15 pages आएंगे. Not sure, not always 10 results. There are sometimes GMBs and all that I'll explain you later. Right? So why do we need to rank on GMB? Because we need to be on that first. Why do we need SEO? Because we need to be on that first page. And why do we need to be on the first page? ताकि लोग आए हमारी साइट पे, क्लिक करें और हमें उससे कन्वर्जन मिले. When I say कन्वर्जन का यहाँ पे मतलब होता है कि हमें लीड आए. लीड का मतलब है यहाँ पे कि अगर कोई जनरल फिजिशियन, फॉर एग्जांपल मैं जनरल फिजिशियन हूँ और किसी ने ढूंढा है, मैं अगर पहले पे आ रही हूँ, तो मेरे को वो लोग कांटेक्ट करें और मेरे साथ बुकिंग करें, अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करें, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट SEO इज, एंड लाइक बेसिक, एंड देन दिस why do we need SEO is the reason for this.